Well, it's a phone. Like, why are you like doing the vid now? Like, it's good or
How much you asking for this one?
I don't really know. Like, I was asking, give me a price.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a price. This one looks perfect, but the problem with this one, this one is fake.
It's fake.
It's fake.
How,
It says it.
like, how can you tell? Like, I told you I didn't buy it, so it's my grandma.
You said your grandma bought it?
It's my grandmother.
How much? How much she pay for it?
I already told you. I don't really know.
Yeah, this is definitely 100% is fake.
Yeah.
Yes, because you open the phone. Look, they made it really good.
Mm-hmm.
You can tell by the camera.
Mm-hmm.
See that there is a blue light on here.
Okay.
That's one thing. Another thing is the way you slide it. See how hard it is?
I can't see.
You cannot see it. If you come closer, you will see.
You record.
Well, you don't want
I actually don't really want to be on the camera.
Okay, I'm not gonna put you. But look at that.
I can't see.
You cannot see. Yes, people see it already. So it's hard to slide it, or it's hard to do anything on it. So this is 100%
Fake.
Be careful, guys. Don't purchase anything like this. Or you will stuck with a fake
If
iPhone.
it was fake, I would try to sell it on eBay or something. I'm not gonna come in. Feel me? I don't really know. Probably try to sell it online, just get my money back, get my grandma's back.
Look at this bugging out already. It's like glitching by itself.
Yeah.
Look at that. This is not gonna lie, really good.
You said what?
They made it really good.
Yeah. You think I'll be able to sell it online?
Don't tell anybody this.
No.
No.
So typically, they said 960 for.
Bro, those are the real one you're
hold
talking
on,
about.
Hold on, let me finish.
Okay, finish.
So it said typically for a real one is 960, right? Since you just told me it's fake,
Okay.
you helped me out. I didn't know, and you said it's really good. What are you going? Hold on. What are you going? Are you going to sell this? What are you doing?
No, I'm gonna do video.
Video, right?
I'm gonna take the whole thing apart. Yes.
Okay. 550.
For the fake phone, you want 550.
How much you think?
Bro, fake. Do you understand what the fake means?
Give me a price. Just give me a price. That's all I'm asking.
They're like $50.
Nah.
What do you mean, nah?
I'll do 200.
You're crazy, man. Nobody's gonna give you 200 for this one.
You don't think so?
Yeah. It's fake.
How much?
What do you understand about fake?
I'm saying you about to make that back times 5 for your video. You about
To who?
What do you mean to who?
What do you understand about the fake? You cannot use this one.
Okay.
You cannot use it for service, nothing. There is no part for this one.
What do you mean?
When you open, it's not the same like the inside. If something gets messed up, you cannot fix it. There is no part to fix it. You understand?
Yeah,
The inside is fake. Everything is fake. It's not real. This one is not real.
I'm thinking. So what you thinking? 50?
I just told you, yes.
A little high.
Nobody's gonna give you even 50. Nobody will give you 50.
I'm thinking like 150.
No.
Oh man, if you're not for me,
It's crazy.
thank you.
Okay.
Have a good one.
Mm-hmm.